Welcome to Git Solutions. This is Lokesh. So in this class we are going to analyze the illustration under Vogel's approximation method. So this is fourth problem under Vogel's approximation method. Okay. See the problem. A manufacturer of jeans is interested in developing an advertisement campaign that will reach 4 different age groups. So make it underline 4 different age groups. Okay. So the some of the manufacturers of the jeans is interested to provide an advertisement. Okay. So the objective is to developing an advertisement campaigns that will reach the 4 different age groups. Okay. So how many age groups are there? 4 different age groups. Okay, 4 different age groups. Okay, advertising campaigns can be conducted through TV, radio and magazines. So what are the medias are using to giving a advertisements? That is, there are 3 medias. Okay, right. So one is TV advertisements, another one is radio advertisement and another one is magazine. So these are the medias that the company are using to promote its products. Okay. The following table gives the estimated cost in paise. Okay. The information in the table are given as paises. Okay. The cost is nothing but the cost information will be given in paises or exposure for each age group according to the medium of employed. Okay, the exposure of advertisement is based on the medium of employed, that is TV and radio and magazine. Okay, so in addition, the maximum exposure level possible in each media, namely TV, radio and magazine, are 40, 30 and 20. Okay, so what is the maximum exposure? Maximum exposure in respective medias, that is TV, radio and magazines, are 40 and 30 and 20 million. 20 million. So these are the maximum exposures. Okay, so advertisement exposure maximum is 40 of TV advertisement and 30 million of radio advertisement and 20 million of magazines. Okay, so if it is, that means if the company promote its products through this media, the maximum expected target audience, that is 40 millions and 30 millions and 20 millions of respective medias. Okay, next see, and also the minimum desired exposure with each group, namely 13 to 18 and 19 to 25 and 26 to 35 and 36 and older. So 13 to 18, so these are the different age groups. See, there are 4 age groups are there, no? So first age group 13 to 18 and second age group 19 to 25 and third age group 26 to 35 and the last age group 36 and older are 30, 25 and 15 and 10 millions. So this is minimum desired exposure level. So this is the maximum exposure level and minimum desired exposure level of different age groups, that is 13 to 18 and 19 to 25 and 35 to, so 1925 and 26 to 35 and 36 and older. So there are 4 age groups are there. There are 4 age groups are there. So these are the different age groups. So the desired minimum exposure level 30, 25, 15 and 10 millions. $10 million. Next, see, the objective is to minimize the cost of attaining the minimum exposure level in each age group. So apply Vogel's approximation method. So table is given. In the table they have given the 4 different age groups and different medias are using to promote its products. Okay, the 12, 7, 10 and 10, 10, 9, 12, 10. So these are the informations, that is the cost information given in prices. So that is mentioned in the problem. Okay, so take down the table as, okay, you take down this given informations. So next we will solve the problem. Okay, so take down this problem. Okay, so these are the given information in the problem. So up to here the information given in the problem in theoretical manner. Okay, so similarly the table which is also given in the problem in tabular form. Okay, so in order to calculate the total transportation cost, we have to write down neatly the entire transportation problem. So by applying this adjustment to the transportation problem. Okay, see how to write this transportation problem by applying these adjustments. Okay, see age groups. So how many age groups are there? There are 4 age groups are there. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4, right? So similarly, how many medias are there? That is TV and radio and magazines. Okay, TV, radio and magazines. So ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay, so it is not an issue. So and related cost information is given for the particular age group and for the media. So 12, 7, 10 and 10. So 10, 9, 12 and 10. Next 14, 12, 9, 12. So these are the related information given in the transportation problem. So if you get confusion, draw the line. Okay, then you won't get confusion anywhere. Okay, so now in order to satisfy the demand and supply, we need demand and supply information. So if it is product information in given in the problem, definitely they will be specify the demand and supply information. But the company in this problem, the company decided to promote its products through using these medias, and target is to reach the 4 different age groups. So ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ advertisement reach ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, so that particular place will be called as origin, because origin is nothing but from which place the product is going to supply. So that is called as factory or origin. Okay, so warehouse is nothing but to which place the product is supplied. So ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು warehouse ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. But in this problem they have not specified the product, but the company decided to promote its product through using this advertisement and advertisement media. So advertisement media ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ TV, radio and magazine. So then this medias will be origins in this problem, and this age groups ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this is destinations. Means ಈ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is called as destination. So ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? Through TV advertisement and radio advertisement and magazine advertisement. So that is called as origin. So information ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ TV, radio and magazine. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇದೆ? 40 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ 30 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 20 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ by using these medias. So TV ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 40 ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, 40 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30 million and magazines 20 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್? 40, 30 and 20. So it is nothing but maximum exposure level. So maximum 40, 30 and 20 million target audience reach ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Next, the other information related to the different age groups. So first age group 13 to 18. So it is nothing but minimum desired exposure level. So minimum desired exposure level. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೊ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 30 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 25 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 15 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 36 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓಲ್ಡರ್, ಸೊ 10 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ maximum exposure and minimum desired exposure level. So 40 plus 30, 70, 80 and 90. So 90 is the maximum exposure level. Okay, see similarly 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 85. Okay, see 80 is given. So 30, 50, 60, 70 and 80. So 80 is given. So in order to satisfy the minimum exposure level and maximum exposure level, that is in order to satisfy the demand and supply, definitely the demand must be equal to supply. Here in this problem, definitely the minimum exposure level is equal to maximum exposure level. So in this problem the minimum exposure level is not equal to maximum exposure level. Then you have to see whether to add a demand, that is dummy row or dummy column. So dummy row na add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ dummy column na add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ by satisfying the minimum and maximum exposure level. Okay, so calculate yourself, you will get answer. Okay, if you don't know the solution, I will definitely post the solution through the YouTube channel. If you have any queries, please comment in this YouTube channel only. Okay, so thanks for watching.